Stop repeating yourself. Bonjour sur Mastering AI Tools. Subscribe now to master the future. This hyper-realistic footage you're seeing, it was generated, scripted, and published without any human touch. In this masterclass, I'm revealing exactly how I automated my entire YouTube channel in 2026. Phase 1, the brain. We're using Claude AI to do all the heavy strategic lifting. It doesn't just write scripts, it analyzes trends and builds a bulletproof content strategy for you. I use a custom markdown workflow to feed it my secret cheat sheet, turning raw data into viral hooks. Next, visual production. This is where Kling 3.0 and Google Veo come into play for cinematic quality. We transform Claude's prompts into cinematic high-definition scenes that look like big-budget movie productions. The trick is in the detail: perfect hands, fluid motion, and zero AI glitches in every single shot. Now, let's talk automation. Phase 3, the glue that holds the entire system together. We link everything using N8N and the massive new capabilities of GPT 5.5 autonomous agents. When Claude finishes a script, Kling starts rendering, and the agents handle every step of the rest. Uploads, SEO optimization, and scheduling, all done automatically while I sleep or work on other projects. Your audience is asking, will AI replace my job? My answer is simple. Let it build your business instead. You're transforming fear into an opportunity for massive scale and 24/7 productivity. Ready to build your own 24/7 content machine and stay ahead of the AI curve? Check the description for my 400-word mega prompt bonus. It's everything you need to get started today. Comment automate below and I'll send you the full setup guide directly to your inbox. Don't miss the AI revolution. Subscribe and keep mastering these tools with me every week. This is the future of content creation. See you in the next masterclass.